Hello, welcome. Today we have a topic that can cause quite a bit of stress. Bosch dishwasher error E31. Imagine this. You're planning a relaxing evening, maybe watching your favorite movie with family or friends, and suddenly, your dishwasher stops working and displays the mysterious code E31. Instead of enjoying clean dishes, you find yourself facing a problem, and visions of costly repairs begin to fill your mind. But don't worry. The Bosch dishwasher error E31 is a message that usually indicates an issue with the heating system, specifically the water flow through the heating element. This means the dishwasher is having trouble heating the water, which is crucial for effectively cleaning your dishes. Without hot water, food residue can remain on the dishes, and the dishwasher won't be able to perform its job properly. The cause of this error could be a malfunctioning heating element, a faulty temperature sensor, or an issue with the water flow in the system. So, what should you do now? First, try a simple reset of the dishwasher. Turn it off for a moment and then turn it back on. Sometimes this simple step is enough to restart the system. If the Bosch dishwasher error E31 still appears, check the hoses and water filter for clogs, as blockages can often lead to such issues. Make sure nothing is obstructing the flow of water. However, if the problem persists, it's best to call a specialist who can thoroughly inspect the heating system and carry out the necessary repairs. Remember that errors like the Bosch dishwasher error E31 are part of an advanced diagnostic system that helps prevent bigger problems before they occur. It's better to address the issue early on than to later deal with costly repairs. If you want to stay updated with similar tips and learn how to troubleshoot issues on your own, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being with me, and see you in the next episode.